Hi, I'm Jeff with Precision Replacement Parts. Today, I'm going to show you how to install a WFK 6120-97. It fits both rear doors on the 97 and 2001 Jeep Cherokee 4-door model. It comes as a 4-piece kit, but you can also get it individually. Now we're going to be installing the parts on this rear driver's side door from a 1997 Jeep Cherokee. Tools you'll need are let's get started. I'm going to start by removing the inner belt line molding. In order to do this, we're going to have to remove this door panel. We're going to have to remove 3 screws here, here, and here. And then along the perimeter of the door panel, there are clips we'll need to remove with our clip removal tool. Next up, we're going to remove the inner belt line molding. I'm going to take our weather strip installation tool, the chisel end. I'm going to come up underneath the molding and pry up to get it off the door here. Keep working it to come off. Once you get it kind of loose, you can kind of roll it toward you. That'll help bring it off too. Next step is to install a new belt line molding. Make sure it's centered. Then we're going to push it onto the flange, making sure that we seat it completely. All right. Once you have fully seated, you're ready to go on to the next step. Next step is to reinstall the door panel. What I like to do is start on the back end, get it into the groove, and then work it forward. Once the door panel is fully seated, you're going to have to go back and make sure your pins down here line up to the holes so you don't break them off. Next step here is to remove the outer belt line. I'm going to use my weather strip installation tool and the chisel end to come underneath it and work it up and pry it off the actual door here. Once I get it loose. Next, we're going to put the new part on. So we are going to line it up on the door, make sure it's centered, and all you have to do is push it back onto the flange. Make sure you get it seated all the way on, and you're done.